How to make passive income from real estate. In this video, I'll tell you a step-by-step process to make a passive income or a rental income from real estate industry. I am Dr. Amol Maurya, real estate coach, real estate trainer, real estate author and actor. I'll tell you practical 5 steps to make a second income or a passive income from the real estate industry. First step is buy a bungalow, a premium flat, or an office or shop. Yes, if you have an income earned from the active source or from your job or a business, then in the first step, you have to look for a good property. You have to look for either a flat or a bungalow, or if you want a good big rental income, because research wise, rental income in commercial properties is more compared to the residential properties. So then in that case, you can buy an office or a shop. If you have done this step number 1, and even if you have paid 10%, 20% or 30% of that property amount, and rest amount you have taken by loan or an EMI, then also if the property is ready position, you can directly start leasing the property, or by renting it out you can start earning income. Or if the property is in a pre-construction stage, and if the builder is creditable, in that case you can get a good appreciation in your capital amount. The second step is list your property on social platforms. Now, the moment you got the possession of the property, list the property on various social platforms so that you can get good offers of rent, or you can take the help of a rental agent as well who's working in that particular local area or market. But if you want to avoid the brokerage, if you want company to directly contact you, or if you want the end user to directly contact you, suppose if you want to rent out your bungalow or a flat to a company or to an individual who's working at a good position, so with the help of social media he might approach you directly. In that case, you can save in another brokerage as well, that will increase your return on investment ROI in terms of getting the returns. The other thing is you can tell to the local brokers as well, but they'll definitely charge you a 1 month rent minimum for renting out a residential property and 2 to 3 month rent minimum for a commercial property. Third step is take 2-3 bids or auction. The moment you get offers from anywhere, from online media, from offline, from agents, now compare the offers. What kind of offer you are getting for your property? Because you have 2-3 offers now, the demand is more and supply is less, you can demand your prices. I'm not saying that you can demand an XYZ price which is not feasible, but at least you can charge 5%, 10% extra if the demand of your property is more. Or you have an option of buyers or those who want to take your property on rent. Fourth, to earn a good passive income or rental income from real estate is finalize the best possible tenant. Now, if you are having a commercial property and if you are getting an offers from 3 banks or 2 jewelers, 1 bank or one corporate, that in that case you have an option to negotiate, you have an option to bargain, and you can select the best tenant or a best company for your commercial premises or an office or a shop. So having an option is always a good choice when you want to increase your rental income or a passive income in the real estate industry. Fifth, make a rent agreement and start earning. The moment you finalize that out of these 3, you want to finalize one, maybe a company, it may be a residential property, you want to finalize a person or a family for your property, then finalize the one, do a rental agreement and start earning. Doing a rental agreement is a very important document in terms of rent. Make at least 11 months agreement and keep on renewing it so that the problems related with litigation, property possession in future will get solved. So if you really want to start your earning in the real estate industry, the first and the most important what you have to do is buying a property. Second, listing the property. Third, getting an opportunity or getting an offer from different buyers or those who want to rent, take your property on rent. Then finalizing one, doing an agreement. This is the process which you have to follow if you want to earn a good rental income in the real estate industry, a good passive income in the real estate industry. If you feel that this topic is very important, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit like button so that we get energy and motivation to make this kind of video for you in future as well. If you want us to make video on some other topic, do comment below. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for making our book Real Estate Games a national bestseller. Thank you so much.